Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. In the toolbox today is this 18 volt Black & Decker drill. So the drill comes with this 1.5 hour amp hour battery. You've also got an LED, let me just put that away, as you can see. So it's got an LED that points wherever the drill end is pointing. So it has this keyless chuck. Flip it that way, reverse. You see, got this keyless chuck here. You can put like different accessories in. So let me just grab this bit driver, bit in it, and then tighten it down. As you can see, now got a electric screwdriver basically. So put a piece of wood with a screw in it. I'll do a quick demonstration. Obviously normally I wouldn't let it come out like that, but for the video demonstration I just thought I'd show you that. But you also can use it with other things. So I quite often use this drill with these sort of wire brushes. And yeah, you just quickly put in there. I'm not going to do that because that's going to hurt, so we'll leave that. But then you can use it with that, drill bits, metal drill bits. Quite a handy little tool to have. Like I said, as you can see, it's fairly well used. The battery is quite nice. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, as I said. It also comes with a charger, which is just here. So there's the charger. Nice, simple, basic charger, but does the job. I believe you can buy bigger batteries for this as well. So here's a closer look at the battery now. It says 1.5 amp hour, 18 volts. And all you do to put the charger on is slide on like that. And pop it back off when it's fully charged. And you may be thinking, well, this isn't really a tool for doing repairs, but it actually is, because there's a lot of different things you can do. For instance, say you have a bolt break off in an engine or anywhere it's awkward, a bolt, and you need to drill it out. This thing can get in there, drill it out. It has 10 speeds as well as a hammer drill function. So let me quickly just flip that round. As you can see. And then obviously the 10 speeds. Obviously, and it's also got this variable control trigger, so the more you squeeze, the faster it goes. And yeah, it's a very handy little tool. I plan to do some more videos with it. I plan to do some headlight restoration videos using a kit that you have to use one of these for. And yeah, not bad at all. Here's just a quick demonstration of drilling a hole in some wood. As you can see, there's no hole here, and I'm going to put the drill in just here, away from the other hole. And do a nice little hole. And the whole idea of this is just to see how it drills, really. But obviously I would show you with some metal, but I haven't got any metal on hand, so any scrap metal that I can show you on. But yeah, quite a useful little thing. So my final thoughts on this drill. Really handy to have. It saved me a lot of different things. It's got this really nice moulding on it. Very comfortable to use. Good balance. And yeah, overall I think everyone should have a cordless drill for doing repairs. Not only can you use it for car repairs like I have, use it for hanging pictures around the house, fixing furniture around the house. Really useful to have one of these. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.